Here are 7 more reasons why your tracks might still suck and how to fix them. Number 1, your sections don't push and pull. A great track needs dynamic flow, with sections that build and release tension. Number 2, your track doesn't create tension. Without moments of tension, your song will lack emotional impact. Number 3, you relied on fixing things in the mix. Much like they say you should mix like it's not going to be mastered, you should compose like it's not going to be mixed. Start with a great performance and solid arrangements. Don't depend on the mix to save it. Number 4, you don't have any open space. Leave room for the music to breathe. Too much layering can make it feel crowded. Number 5, you rely too much on expensive gear. Gear can help, but the key is mastering your craft and making the best of what you have. Number 6, your takes are too edited. Over-editing makes your track sound robotic. Embrace the human feel in your playing. And finally, number 7, you haven't checked out Slick Audio PCs. Their machines are tailor-made for music production, giving you the power to handle any project. Fix these 7 things and your tracks will improve instantly. Subscribe for more tips.